What if your wheelchair folded in seconds and your comfort traveled everywhere with you? Meet the Motivo One-Touch Zero-Gravity Electric Folding Wheelchair, designed to make everyday mobility smoother, smarter, and more stylish. Folding the Motivo is effortless. Simply power off the chair, press the one-touch folding mechanism, and watch as it neatly collapses into a compact, travel-friendly form. No heavy lifting, no complicated steps. In seconds, it's ready to load into your trunk, store at home, or take on the go. Long rides require exceptional support, and Motivo delivers. The zero-gravity reclining position reduces pressure, while the padded, ergonomic seat keeps you comfortable from morning to night. Robust dual motors handle sidewalks, ramps, and everyday terrain with ease, giving you a stable, confident ride wherever life takes you. A high-capacity battery gives you outstanding travel range on a single charge, while premium materials and built-in safety features ensure durability you can rely on. Upgrade your mobility with comfort, confidence, and convenience, all in one powerful chair. Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST. Visit SAKSBY.com and contact us at 1-844-7175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.